today we are going to talk about what is called qualitative graphs, and it's interpreting a graph without any numbers. So let's say we have our y-axis, maybe, let's try that again, there we go, and our x-axis. And let's say we have a line like this. That is showing a steady increase. Reading it from left to right, it is going up. When it's going up, that's an increase, okay? If it's going up, but not quite as fast, that's more gradual. We call this a gradual increase. And if it's super steep, that's a steep increase. We have these same words if something is going down. So we could have a gradual decrease, a steady decrease, and a steep decrease. So like a gradual hill, that would be okay to bike down. A steady decrease would be okay, but you'd go pretty fast. And yikes, this steep decline, that would be super scary. I wouldn't want to bike down that, skateboard down that. That would be super scary. All right, so let's think of a few situations. Okay, that did not work. There we go, clear page. I haven't had to erase anything from this in a long time. All right, so my car has a few different modes. I have a economy mode. So when I step on the gas, it's going to accelerate or speed up pretty slowly. Okay, I also have a standard mode, which makes it speed up a little bit faster. It uses more gas. And then I have a sport mode, which goes pretty fast. But my sister-in-law has a Tesla, which I just got to drive. That thing can speed up super fast. So if I were to be graphing how fast I can go over the course of time, the steepest graph or the steepest increase would be the Tesla. Now, some things change over time. So let's say there is a sports player and they start off the season and they're doing really good. Let's say they're a basketball player and they make a lot of baskets as the season goes past. And then their progress kind of evens off and they're making a consistent number of baskets every single game. And then maybe they have an injury so they don't do as well. And so their progress can go back down and then it can go back up. So graphs are allowed to change over time. So right here, it would be increasing, then constant, decreasing, and increasing. So today we're going to focus on the words increasing and decreasing and constant, as well as gradual and steep.